morning and welcome to the Future of Bharat's GovCloud, AI and Infrastructure, organized by Yota and Microsoft in association with APAC Media and CXO Media. We have been joined by Mr. Amitabh Nag, CEO, Digital India, Bhashini Division, Government of India. Thank you, sir, for being here with us today and joining us today for the event. So I would like to ask you, how do you perceive India's digital transformation currently, and what role do you see AI and cloud adoption playing in the journey?
See, India's digital transformation have been a story of applying digital technologies to solve the real world problems which our people faces. And you would have the example of Aadhaar, Jan Dhan, mobile, then UPI, etc., and even railway passenger reservation system. All of them to be a part of this particular journey. And we have been able to do many things which were actually not, perceived or conceptualized in the other countries. And obviously, we have our unique set of problems because of the divides which we have in terms of, geological divide, language divide, etc., etc. There is digital divide, there is literacy divide. So all of that has got unique set of problem, and we have a lot of people to service. So we have to figure out a mechanism of doing more with less. And that is how we are actually working in this particular area for digital transformation. Now, as far as AI is concerned, it provides us with an opportunity to actually bridge this inclusivity to the last mile, because it promotes voice, it promotes natural language conversations, which you will actually take away the divide who are on the other side of digital divide as well as literacy divide, and also on the other side of language divide. Plus, it will also give us an impetus to solve the problems at scale, because the AI models can actually help you and be your assistant in looking at the past data, which obviously is too large and too wide because we are so many people, to actually give you solutions and trends and other things which are required for policy making, which are required for industrial automation, which are required for many other things, defining and designing new products, etc., etc. So there's a bright future ahead for AI as well.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your insight. Thank you.